Guys, I have ripped up the the, the vanity. Now we have to install a new vanity, and I also ripped off these walls and also taken out the glass door mount. Now I'm gonna take this multi-tool and I'm gonna remove all the wallpapers, and then we're gonna prepare the walls and then we're gonna paint it. So guys, now we have installed the tile walls of the tub and removed all the other things from the tub. We removed the upper wall from the tub, and we have sanded up all the walls and applied the putty in there wherever there was necessary, and have applied a coat of primer and also taken off the old light from the ceiling. We're going to replace it with LED, and this is our drywall. We're going to put it over there on top for the washroom, and then we're going to put a vanity over here. Then the seat over here, we also took the seat off, and yeah, that should be about it. Okay, so now we had applied the putty and then we have started painting. So after putting in the primer, we have put up the paint on top of it. So you can see things, and the tiled wall is over here. We also put the drywall around on top and side, and yeah, that's about it. Now after the painting, we're gonna put up the floor, then we're gonna put on the vanity, then the mirror, lights, and the toilet seat. We also put up an LED on top. So today we have laid down the vinyl floor, taking the full cuttings and giving some gaps using spacers and these blocks, and the paint of the wall have also dried out, and yeah, the tiles are there. So yeah, the next is putting the baseboards and then the vanity. So guys, now we have installed the baseboards, and we put up a ply behind. We cut through the wall, put up a ply behind, have put up a hanging vanity in there, and now we're going to connect the bath accessories, and also we have put up the shower head. Now I'm gonna put up the pipe in there. So vanity has been put, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So I have now connected the drains and pipes of the vanity, and also have put up the mirror, and now I'm gonna put the toilet seat back in here. So stay with me. Yeah, so today I have put a little bit silicone here on the vanity and installed some handles, and have put the masking tape for further putting the silicone over on the side of the walls so that it looks neat. So tomorrow, when this silicone gets dried, I will put the other silicone. I don't want to take a risk that the other one may spoil this one. Also, I am out of the silicone. I have to buy the new one.